Ladies and gentlemen, we have out of the Entourage show, not just to name a few, the Hollywood sign, the great Hollywood sign. If you have a hillside home, Roy, this would look really nice on your hillside behind the home. You could just look out the back door and think he was down here in Hollywood. It would be awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, right here to go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times your money. It's by the letter. 9. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to sell the Hollywood sign for one money. We're just going to make an LOT out of that sign. No, pardon me. It's really big. I got to say, it's like those are probably 4-foot sections. You probably got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got. I bet you it's 20 to 25 feet long. All right, right there to go. How much here on the Hollywood sign? All right, how much here? Negative 500. Get 500 now. Negative $300 off. Negative $100 now. $200 off. 100 negative 2. Negative now 2. Negative negative $200 off. Out of $100. Somebody give 200. 1, 2, and now 3. Negative 2. What city are we in right now? I got 200. Somebody $300 off. Negative 2. Negative 3. Negative 2. Negative 2 and a half. 250. You think if we took this up to Ohio, I got 300, somebody get 400. I don't think there's a town in Ohio named Hollywood, right? Take it back with me. I got $300, somebody get $400 off. Somebody give me 4. Somebody give me 4. Somebody give me 3 and a half. Are you all done? I got 50. Says 3 and a half now 4. I got 354 now half. Negative 4 and a half, sir. Stay with me now. 450. We're playing $50 poker now. 500. I got 450. Negative 500. Negative 5. Negative 500. Negative 5. 450 bids. Somebody with $500 all done. At 500. Somebody with 5 and a half. At 5 and a half. I'm going to put $600 off. At 5 and a half, I'm going to put 6. I'm going to put 6. I'm going to give 600. 550. Somebody put 600. I got $650, sir. That's 6. I'm going to put 50. And now 700. That's 650. I'm going to put 700. That's 650. I'm going to put 7. I'm going to put 7. He's out there. Help him out. 7. You got to be 700, sir. 700. Thank you. Now it's 800. Let's take bigger bites. 700. I'm going to put 7, 7, 8. I'm going to put 7, 7, 8. I'm going to put 7, 8. I got 700. Somebody give $800 once. $800 twice. Anybody else? At 8, I got 7.5. Now 800, sir. 7.5, $800, 800. Now 850. Negative 50. I got New Country trying to bid, but you can't have it. I got my on house man in at 800. You got to be 850. Negative 50. Negative 850 once. 850 twice. Internet, you're out. I got it in the house. 850 to third and last call. Dan, hit her one more time. 850 if you want it. Sold $800. Sold it $263 the buyer.